Hello guys, this is the official account of Prince Hamdan Fazam. His Twitter account. Okay, I want to show you this almost same. Okay, so those that didn't know about this, you must check. This is the real one. Okay, those photos would have too much edited. It's not the Crown Prince Hamdan Fazam of Dubai who posted it. They are Pakistan and Nigeria. So okay, so this is the latest video of His Highness the Crown Prince Hamdan Fazam of Dubai. So take a look guys. So take a look. I am here in my Twitter account. Okay, so this is it. So this is it guys, almost same. And Hamdan apps, I have downloaded it before, so I think there is a person who connected. So take a look guys, take a look this one.
أقدم لك من العمر روحي ولا يكفي كمن يقدم يانع الوردة في باقها شعور المحب الصادق اللي بلا تشكيك تبينها عينه لو يخفيها خفاقة وشفخا من اسمي يوم مرت حروفها فيك تقولين يا حمدان والروح من ساقه تقولين يا حمدان واقول يا لبيك غلا حن رعاده ولها لاح براقها خذاه الزمن من صغر سنه ما بين يديك سياسة وشعر وطير ومسرج وناقه كثر ما اشتهرت وصرت معشوق ذيك وذيك لك الشوق حصري والمعاليق مشتاقه يا مولاتي يا مولاتي اللي جنتي من تحت رجليك حنان الأمومة ينعش الروح ترياقه يا أم الشيوخ بلاد زايد تفاخر فيك على درب فعل الخير خطوتك السباقة تقولين مجدك ورث جدك ورث أبيك الأمجاد للي يملك الوعي والطاقة عسى الدار ما تفقدك والعين ما تبكيك ورا كل عملاق بصنع مجد عملاقة.
So okay, did you see? So did you see already? Okay, so I want to show you something. The Hamdan apps, or wait, I want to show you my Twitter, no, yeah, my Twitter account. So okay, wait a while. This is my Twitter account. So I have 11 following. I have 878 followers. I am not always here in my Twitter because I am busy in my Facebook and of course in my YouTube channel. So okay, so I want to show you something again. So I want to show you this one, Hamdan. This one is Hamdan. Wait a while. So did you see? So this is new. January 9. Wait a while. January 9, 2025. So okay, take a look. take a look, ladies and gentlemen. He's a busy man. Okay? Those people who posted videos, edited videos in YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and oh no, not in Twitter, Instagram, what else? It's not him. They are imposter, pretend the crown prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. So be careful, guys, because after that they will bring you in Sanji app, Google Chat, Telegram, and some more. Then they're asking you to pay the real membership card and some more payments. So be careful, be careful, be careful. Thank you so much for watching. And in this apps, they are posted about his work. Okay, not nothing else, only his work. He's about every day. So this is it. So thank you so much for watching. I want to check some more. Okay, so as I show you again this media, what we have seen in his Twitter account, so we can see it here too. So did you see this one? I have already shared the other one, so I want to finish this one. Hamdan bin Mohammed meets with Italy Defense Minister in Abu Dhabi. So ayan, guys. So I continue this one. So this is his face right now in his age of 42. So okay. So this is December 18. Hamdan bin Mohammed launches 6 photos. So it's him in Twitter. So this is his photos. Take a look, guys. I didn't see this one in, oh my goodness, I am, wait a while. Okay, sorry. So this is his picture, new picture, because this is new release, not edited, not same and posted in YouTube. They are too much edited because it's not him. They are Pakistan and Nigeria responsible on that. So this is him, the real Crown Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. So be careful, those people who used his photos all over social media, because they are Pakistan and Nigeria. So this is December 13, Hamdan bin Mohammed and Maktoum, his brother, this one, Maktoum. So Hamdan bin Mohammed and Maktoum bin Mohammed witnessed Mohammed bin Rashid bin Mohammed bin Rashid graduation from the Royal Military Academy, Sandhurst. So this is it. So I'm just sharing this for my support of His Highness. So okay. And then this is December 8, Khalid bin Mohammed bin Sayyid Hamdan. So take a look, guys. Khalid bin Mohammed bin Sayyid Hamdan bin Mohammed bin Rashid witnessed Formula as one season finale. So this is it. So this is his photo of His Highness the Crown Prince Hamdan Faza of Dubai. So this is November 20, 2024, last year. So take a look, guys. Oh no. Wait a while. So this is him. So ayan. Hamdan bin Mohammed approved series of initiatives to boost innovation, resilience, and sustainability in Dubai. Ayan. So this is it. Did you see? Oh, ayan. They make, I didn't know who make that my photo in the hanging in there. So okay, that I make it my profile in YouTube. So did you see? This one is his sister. So okay. So some more, guys. So I need to cut it here until here, November 28th. So okay, so see you next time and have a good night. God bless. Bye bye.